Hey, hello, and welcome to a new video from Alcoy in Spain, Costa Blanca. We are going to do Barranc del Cint. I saw this hike 2 weeks ago on Instagram on some inspiration pages that I follow. Immediately I was like, whoa, I want to do that. So while we are here to search for furniture for the apartment, we're going to do this hike. It's just like 12-13 kilometers, not so big, but I think it's in the mountains, so it's going to be a little bit up down. It's like a beautiful path between a canyon. I hope it's as beautiful as it is in the pictures, but I'm sure it is, and it will be a beautiful day. Although we are very high, it's still warm. It's winter, so you have to check the weather if it's good in this area in the winter, because this will be an area inland in the mountains that has more rain and bad weather, mist, than on the coast. So check the weather. Tomorrow here it's less. So today is a good day to do this hike. Let's go. We are just started and it's already amazingly beautiful, that path. Yes, this is it. It's always funny to see things in the rocks. It's like a lion or something there. You see it?
Beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful, but not easy.
These are all olive trees. Really cool. It's not easy. Not easy at all, but very beautiful. This is really cool, really ancient house. I think there's somebody sleeping now and then, but this is really cool to see. So these are the birds, wildlife that you see here. Really cool. This is an area that is protected, so the vultures and all can be very quiet here. They are left alone. I think there where we saw them, maybe if they are injured, they are treated there, but you cannot enter this area. But it's really cool. These animals are really big. 30 minutes ago, I was saying, I think we're at the highest top. Nope. So this is the highest top. Not the highest of them all, but of our hike. So this is the highest point. And the weather is beautiful. Before we started, I saw it on Komoot, on where the GPX is. They said medium hike. I should say medium / difficult. Not everybody can do that. You have to have a certain amount of fitness level. So when we were driving on the highway down there, we saw that little tower there in the distance. My wife said to Arco, "Hey, look, we're going to hike until that tower." And he was like saying, "What?" I was like, joke. Just 1 minute ago we were higher than that tower. Okay. So Arco, I was just saying, you heard? That we were going to hike to that tower. That was a good joke.
No, that was a really good joke.
A really good joke. Now, if you look back, would you rather go to that tower or the hike that we just did?
It was a nice hike,
It was a really nice hike.
but
So-
I think I'd rather go to the tower than.
So that was the highest point. Hey! We have to go down, not up again. Down.
Do you have a parachute? We can
Down.
jump.
We need to go down. My wife just wants to go to the cross. Ah. As always, my wife was right to go to the top because we wouldn't see this. This is really cool. Really nice to see. So if you are in Alcoy and you see that cross from down, yeah, you can hike to this cross, and then you see like a little chapel. Okay, we are at the street. This is the last piece towards the car. It was very beautiful, but most of the beautiful hikes are always the difficult ones because you have the views. It's like you never see easy hike and you say, wow. No, you always have to suffer to have the views. Where we are standing with the car, there's a few places, but it's really steep down. You have to watch out for the car. Here is if you drive a little bit further, here is another space and it's more flat. So yeah, a little bit further it's possible too. So if you don't have space there, because there's not a lot of room, not a lot of space. I will keep saying okay, you know what I mean. So now we're going to drive to El Campello. That's just beside Villajoyosa. And we're going to ask if we can rent some mountain bikes for tomorrow. Not that we are going to hike, ride the bike.
Good job.
It's very good now. Not that we are going to do a mountain bike route, but just off-road a little bit, if they have that. I think they have. I saw it on the website, but I have to be sure that we can rent the bikes. Tomorrow afternoon, if we're back, we can see if we can do karting.
Yes.
Cannot promise anything else. That was close. That was close.
I thought.
I just like 10 minutes ago he said, my shoes are fine. I'm never slipping away.
I just wanted to get a good look at the road. I thought, look, there's an animal.
Okay.
Animal? Yeah,
You saw
there's an animal.
a snail or something?
yeah. Very beautiful.
Yeah,
I thought I want to get a close up.
Okay. After the bike reservation, I hope, we going to a store. Sorry. Looking if they have like more boho accessories for the apartment, so that we know that for next year that we can buy that here. That we don't have to bring that from Belgium. Like they have this here. And then we eat some pizza in Biajosa, where we have, oh, not have yet, but where we are sleeping. And then maybe a stroll along the coast to the harbor. He just said, no, I cannot hike anymore. But if he ate a pizza, he will be a strong man. What? Do we have to walk through the tunnel? Put your lights on. Do you have a light? Oh, there's a car. This is not safe. But they are not driving fast. I will go first. Sacrifice myself. I be a brave man. Hey ho, hey ho. What can I do? It's not a long tunnel. It's okay. Go into the light, my son. Yes! I made it! The car! Look, and we were there, up, there. How nice. Pizza diavola, pizza prosciutto, pizza...
Pizza.
No,
Just pizza.
no, no.
Go for it.
No, we are at Barranc in Biajosa. Bon appetit.